This is Honor 70, and today we would like to figure out whether this smartphone provides you with a stereo speaker. So in order to figure it out, I will just go ahead and, play some song. First of all, I'll show you the frame of this device. As you can see, we have one speaker over here, no speakers on the side, none at the top, and nothing in the front. So the last chance to check it is to play some music and do the following action. As you could have just heard, the sound didn't change. That means that unfortunately the speaker type of this device is mono, not stereo. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.